Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel WebToTech, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how to get DoorDash promo codes. So in order to do so, first of all open any search engine on your mobile device or laptop, then simply search for DoorDash promo codes. Once you do so, you will come across various websites over here. You can go to official website of DoorDash or any other reliable website you can find. So for now, I'm going to go for Retail Me Not. Once you come to this page, you can see various offers and promo codes. So tap on any of it according to your preferences. I'm going to tap on this one. Once you come here, you will see a code given here. You can simply tap on the option of copy. Make sure that the discount has been applied beforehand. Now tap on copy and you can simply open DoorDash application and apply this promo code. You can also find DoorDash promo codes on their social media websites. Like you can see I'm here on their Facebook page. So that's how easily you can find DoorDash promo codes online. So that's all for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.